Yesterday, the jury at the Central Criminal Court in Dublin heard from a 124-page transcript of an interview carried out with Richard Satchwell in June 2021. In the interview, he tells Detective Sergeant David Noonan that his wife had a loose temper and had left him with a black eye and scrapes to his face, back and belly, as well as bite marks over the years. The jury heard from the transcript that Richard Satchwell said he believed his wife was planning to leave him up to 4 years before she went missing, and that she had told him she was going to leave him up to 300 times in 15 years. He says he expects she will eventually turn up with another fella or will send a registered letter demanding he sell the house in Youghal. He said his face had been destroyed by scratches in 1994, and a doctor who had seen his injuries told him he had two options: to leave or to stick it out. He said, "I decided to stick it." 58-year-old Richard Satchwell of Grattan Street, Youghal in County Cork, has pleaded not guilty to the murder of Tina Satchwell at the same address in March 2017, and the trial at the Central Criminal Court in Dublin continues today.